Next up, another master padlock. This one's a combination version. This one's the tsa002. Again, combination jobby. Real world, most people would probably just cut that off and have done with it. It's quite easy to open. The code you're looking for comes up at the front, down this front dial, not the side ones. This one there. The way to open it, apply plenty of pressure to the shackle. I'm going to bring this in a bit and hopefully you'll hear it click as I turn it. Right, that clicked, but right, the others feel like a dull noise as you turn them round. Now listen for the click as we go to the 0. Do you hear that click louder? Didn't on that second one, but normally they make a slightly louder click, or you'll feel the shackle jump slightly as you pull like that. Now that all feels nice and free on the 0. And as soon as you're in there, you open. You can hear the click. 9 times out of 10 you'll hear that clicking in. That's the tsa002.